Hey guys, what's up? This is Ayush here. Thank you for joining me at this podcast. Today I'm going to talk about the impact of pandemic on environment and about the conditions of the environment that is improving and what lessons can we learn from the lockdown right now and use later to protect the environment even when the pandemic has ended. So here we go. COVID-19 is causing global trade to be disrupted. Flights are being cancelled and many people are now working or staying at home. Life as we know it has been changed beyond all recognition. Let's now discuss how is the coronavirus outbreak affecting the environment. Air pollution has dropped significantly in China. One of the main impacts of the coronavirus outbreak has been a significant drop in air pollution in many parts of the world, most notably seen in developed or developing industrial nations like China and in Europe. The drop shows just how much industrial activity has been shut down as of late. The waters of Venice is clean once again. Another unexpected effect on the environment from the coronavirus has been seen in Venice, Italy, with tourists number cooled because of the virus. The waters in Venice canals are cleaner than they have been in living memory, with things like motorboats effectively grounded, sediment churning and other water pollutants have been dropped dramatically. In most areas of Venice, residents have been amazed by how clear the water has become, so much so in fact that fishes can be seen once again in the canals. Researchers have found that there has been a 5 to 10% drop in air pollutants like carbon dioxide in New York. Methane emissions have also dropped significantly. Traffic levels are also significantly down, with some estimating in the region of 35%. Carbon monoxide emissions have also dropped by somewhere in the region of 50%. Another interesting effect on the environment has been a significant reduction in air travel. In places like Europe, air traffic has taken a serious nosedive. This is significantly improving air quality and reducing pollution in the skies above many countries of the world, with fewer planes buzzing around. Issues associated with contrails and exhaust emissions are easing. Somewhere in the region of 67 million few passengers flew in the first 3 months of 2020 to any year prior. Emissions from coal combustion are falling in China. The ozone layer has started healing itself and the wind currents are now getting normal. Now let's know more about what can we learn from the lockdown now. First, spending most of the time indoors has increased the time you spend with your family members. This has reinstated the fact that it is only your family which is beside you, though thick and thin. You have got once in a lifetime opportunity to spend so many days all together with your family, and it is better to not waste them. Second, being quarantined has given you more me time and has changed the relationship you have with your own self. It has taught you how to be comfortable in your own skin and how to love yourself more. As your social interaction is limited, it is you and only you who will have to keep yourself busy and maintain your sanity though the lockdown. Third, with household help given and off till further notice, it becomes the responsibility of the whole family to divide the work amongst themselves. You will realize at this point of time what your house has transformed into a big boss house in itself, with duties and responsibilities assigned. You will learn everything starting from cleaning, washing dishes, dusting to cooking and washing clothes. Fourth, the most essential of all, being in a lockdown will make us realize the importance of the freedom we all had. It will make us realize the importance of a healthy body and will fill us with a feeling of gratitude towards God, towards the government, towards the doctors and towards everyone who is working day and night for a better and healthy world. And at last, stay safe.